Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply effects only to the overlay and not it affecting the background of your video or photo. So select the picture that you want to make as an overlay. So I'm just going to select this one, and then I am going to select overlay and I'm going to move it to the side, and I'm actually going to resize it. Let me just crop this first because there's some bits I don't want. Oops. Wrong button. Like so. And I am just going to put it there. Let's just delete this first. And I only want to add in effects to the overlay, so I'm going to select effects, video effects, and choose the effect that you want. You can also add it just to the background as well if you'd like to. So blur, I'm just going to press the check mark button, and I want to add it, I want it to affect the overlay. So go to object and select overlay, and it's going to be just affected to the overlay. But if you wanted to just affect the background, just select object here and select main video. So again, you have to select the effect, then go to object and select the layers that you want it to affect, I guess. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!